Hi, this is David Orlofsky, and welcome to the Parsha in 5, in which in 5 minutes we give you an insight into the Parsha, because Behar-Bechukosai is together. And so I'm looking for an idea that will tie together Parshas Behar and Parshas Bechukosai. And the thing that will tie it together is 49. Because as you know, in Parshas Behar, we have the mitzvah of Shemitah. Count 7 years, and then you come to a Shemitah. And then count 7 years 7 times, 49 years, and then you will come to a Yovel, which takes you out of this world. When you come to Parshas Bechukosai, Rashi says, there are 7 sets of 7 klalos. 49 klalos, 49 curses that HaKadosh Baruch Hu will let you experience. Wow. So we have the 49 years where we climb up to a Yovel, and we have the 49 curses where we go down lower and lower, and things get worse and worse. Bad, just bad. So the contrast is dramatic. Because, as we know, Ezra is mataken, that we read Bechukosai before Shavuos, because since Shavuos is a Rosh Hashanah, Tichla Shana B'Kilosecha, we end the year with the curses. So before Rosh Hashanah, we do Kisavai and Nitzavim, and before Shavuos, we do Bechukosai. Why? Because there are brachos and there are klalos. The Torah was given with a bris of brachos and klalos. If you keep the Torah, you get bracha, and if you don't, you get klalos. Because there's 2 ways to lead your life. You can lead your life those 49 levels leading up to a Yovel. The Alshach HaKadosh says, in Judaism, Torah says we start counting people at the age of 20. And it says in Tehillim, the average lifespan is 70. So from the time we start counting you, because until then, right, you're a teenager, that doesn't count. HaKadosh Baruch Hu will not punish you, Misa b'yidei Shemayim, if you're a teenager, because he just rolls his eyes like every parent does and says, he's just a teenager. But once you're 20, you're expected to be an adult. And you have from 20 to 70, that's 50 years, says the Alshach, that is a Yovel. Your life is a Yovel. And you're supposed to be going up and up and up and up. And that's why we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. We keep going higher and higher. And if you live your life that way, then at the end of your life, you reach Yovel, where you move out of this world into a new world, into an Olam Haba, where all the slaves go free, and you're free from your Yetzer Hara, and you're free from everything, and you live a total life. But what if you want to run away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu? HaKadosh Baruch Hu will never give up on you. He will chase you down into the depths, and he will give you 7 klalos. And if negative actions, negative reinforcement helps you now to say, oh my gosh, I don't want these curses, then you'll change your life. Great. And if not, he'll give you another 7 and another 7 and another 7. And he'll chase you down 49 levels to the lowest level. There is no 50th level. Yeah, that's it. He'll chase you all the way down with a stick. But he'll never give up on you. You'll never reach the point where he says, you're too bad. I can't deal with you anymore. I give up on you. HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves you. And if you want to go up higher and higher and higher, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will help you live your life to a Yovel. And if you want to run away, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will chase you down. And so the Parsha ends with the Parsha of Erechen. Why? Because everybody has the same value. Every life is valuable, whether you're living your life going up to a Yovel or you're living your life running away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Life has value, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu will bring you into a life of meaning one way or the other. By hook or by crook, That's a shepherd term. Crook, where I can pull him back, and there's the hook where I can stick the hook into the wool and pull him back. But by hook or by crook, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will bring us back, and he will never give up on the Jewish people. And that's why it ends with the psukim of Nechama. No matter how bad you are, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will remember the bris of Avram, Yitzchak, and Yaakov and bring us back. And Mirza Hashem, with this strength, we should remember Chazak, Chazak, Veniz Chazek. We should be strengthened and to be able to go on and be Makabel Torah on Shavuos, and not to have to live a life of the klolos, but of the years of brachos that bring us to a yovel. Shabbos.